Kobe Bryant dies at age 41 in helicopter crash in California. Los Angeles Lakers legend Kobe Bryant died in a helicopter crash in California on Sunday. According to two people with the knowledge of the situation, Mr. Bryant, a five-time NBA champion and two-time Olympic gold medalist, was 41. The smooth shooting guard who patterned his game after Michael Jordan entered the NBA straight out of high school in 1996. By his second season, he had earned his first of 18 All-Star selections. By his fourth season, he had teamed up with Shaquille O'Neal to win the first of three consecutive championships. Although his partnership with O'Neal didn't last, Mr. Bryant went on to greater heights after their 2004 parting. He won two scoring titles in the year that followed, and he famously scored 81 points against the Toronto Raptors in 2006, the second highest single game total in NBA history. Mr. Bryant 2008 pairing with Paul Gasol produced two more championships in 2009 and 2010, with Mr. Bryant winning finals MVP honors both times. A famous competitor known for championship is ruthless Mamba mentality. Mr. Bryant suffered a career-altering injury in 2013. He recovered to play three more seasons, retiring in 2016 after 20 seasons with the Lakers. In the last game of his career, Mr. Bryant scored 60 points in perhaps the most memorable career final in history. So, this is a very sad moment right now in the sporting industry. You know, this wonderful player who is considered to be one of the greatest of all time, with the likes of LeBron James, Michael Jordan, Karl Malone, just to name a few in the basketball arena, has been confirmed dead in a helicopter crash in Los Angeles along with his daughter. And there was 5 people on board. You know, we received news that they were traveling to Staples Center to do whatever business of concern, to him, and the helicopter went down. In so sad right now. The whole world is mourning the loss of such a great legend. A lot of people is in anguish right now because they lost a great legend. But we say condolences to the family and hope all the fans out there can, just